Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got SheModern Old Meets New. It's an Instagram collaboration, and this month's theme was pandas. It's so fun. So I've got BM 424 and BP 35 and Wistonia 115 stamping plates. I've got the SheModern Opaque Black Sticky Stamping Polish, the SheModern Scraper, and 5 cube stampers because I'm going to make decals today. And we're just going to plop these images out onto the stampers, and then I'm going to do some painting. So first we got to get them all on the stampers. I could not believe that these 5 images are the only pandas in my whole stamping collection. It doesn't make any sense. I mean, if you guys only knew how many stupid stamping plates I have, I mean, it's ridiculous. And I could only come up with 5 images? Oh my goodness. I thought I had a plate that was like almost all like pandas. But here we are. And a couple of these are kind of cartoony. This one's kind of normal, but the other one, the last one I'm going to pull, is kind of cartoonish looking, but we're going with it. We are. And just so you know, I have sped this up a little bit. You do not have to be in a rush when using the SheModern sticky stamping polishes. They give you plenty of time to do your work. Do your cleanup. I'm going to clean up these plates. Get them ready to put away so that next time I need them, they're already ready. They're clean and ready. And my little stampy mat. Got to get it clean because I still need it for doing the filling in. I'm going to be using this drip drop polish, and it's Tidy Whitey's. It's just a white polish. Use whatever you got. And I've got a dotting tool with a big end and kind of a little end. And I'm just going to, with my shaky hands, fill these little pandas in with white. That way they'll be black and white pandas like they're supposed to be. You know, supposed to be all, black and white and pretty. So we're going to get this filled in. And I am going to fill them all in the same way, using the big end and the little end of my dotting tool. You can use a detail brush, or if you're really good, you can just use the brush from the bottle. I don't have much luck with that. Flip it over, check it out, looks good, and we're going to continue on. And I am kind of resting my hand up against the stamper to kind of steady me a little bit. You guys know I have some shaky hands, and this can be challenging sometimes. So we're going to do the best we can, and that's all we can do. I am going to get out of the lines a little bit. It's just going to happen. That's the way it is. But it's not very noticeable in the end, I don't think. Get my little bitty end out here and kind of get these little bitty spots. Some of these are really hard to get into. Very cute. Very, very cute. But we're getting the decals made first so that they can be drying while I get the rest of my manicure done. My base color, and I'm going to do some base stamping also. So we're going to let these completely dry so that I don't mess them up when I go to apply them to the nail. Here we go, one more panda image, I believe. I think that, yeah, this is the last one. And I'm not going to put anything over these. I'm just going to straight up, let them dry just like this. And then we'll use some sticky base coat to apply them. I've started off with Nailtique's Formula 2 on my nails, and this is Eliana's collection, and the name of it is Winning. It's a very, light purpley blue color. By the way, I have a SheModern discount code now, Tina-F10. Get you 10% off your order if you order from SheModern. Finally got around to taking care of the affiliate end of it, but there's information down in the description box if you'd like to go check it out. You guys know I'm a junkie for the SheModern. I love her sticky stamping polishes and the dust, the pixie dust, glitter dust, chromes, all those good little goodies in the little bottles. Love it. Hi Woody, how you doing? All right, so we are going to go in with a second coat of this Winning, and it really, I wanted a really like light sky blue, but I grabbed this one thinking it was more blue, but it's kind of got a little bit of purple to it too, so, but I just went with it. I'm going to top this with the I&M out the door. I'm going to get this to dry down, and I want it really dry because I'm going to be applying the decals here in just a little bit, but I want to make sure everything's dry. Here's a swatch photo of Winning on its own. And I'll be using BM XL13. I'm going to use that bamboo image. I'll be using the SheModern Opaque Grass and Opaque Sage Sticky Stamp and Polish, and the Force Resistant Stamper from SheModern, and the SheModern Scraper. Now I'm doing dots of the polishes over the image. It's going to be like a smush stamp. It blends the images, blends the colors a little bit onto the image and gives it just kind of some textured look. I really do like how this looks on the nail. Very nice. I've got my image picked up. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and remove some of the excess that I don't want on my nails or skin. A little bit, just a little bit. And I'm going to line that up and stick it onto the nail. Very cool. And I'm telling you, this manicure looked so cool just like this. Just the bamboo over that. I did clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and then my scraper card got cleaned. The stamping plate got cleaned with acetone. And I have sped this up even more because this video literally was over 30 minutes long. So I tried to, you know, tighten it up, get some of the excess out, and speed up. Like, to me, this is like, y'all have already seen me do one nail, so we're just gonna fly through the rest of them. But I wanted to show them, you know. I don't really know what y'all's preference is on the videos. If you want me to just show me doing one finger, if you like me to show all of them, you know, give me some heads up down in the description, in the comments, and let me know what your preference is. Here we go, stamped, stamp, and here we go with some more. And I really do like this kind of stamping. I always forget about it, and today I was very happy to have remembered it because I couldn't really decide which color I wanted to use, whether I wanted to use the light green or the dark green. I have bamboo growing in my backyard, and it is multicolored. It's kind of like a tan and a dark green and a light green. So I was trying to get that look on my nails. Give it some realistic look. And like I said, this has been really sped up real much here. So don't think I'm working that fast. I'm really not. Look how pretty. All right, we're going to clean everything up. I'm cleaning my scraper card and my stamping plate with acetone. Get that all clean. And I'm not going to wipe it down with a lint-free wipe or anything. I'm just getting the polish off of it. My little mat cleaned up too. And now to clean up around my nails, I'm using some sticky tape. I don't know why I call it sticky tape. Okay, tape to get some of the excess off of my skin. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and tighten up this cleanup just a little bit. Get around the edges. Up under the nail. Anywhere that would drive me crazy, which is all of it. That looks so cute. I love that. I am going to top this with the SheModern Clear. This is the water-based kind of like topper. It covers it and seals it without it being, you know, it's not going to smear it. And now I'm applying the Maniology's sticky base so I can apply all my decals. I applied the sticky base and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and now I'm going in with all my decals and applying them, trying to figure out placement and which nail gets which decal. It's the fun part. I just did them. I didn't really have it in my head where every one of them was going to go. But here we go. We're going to keep blopping along. No, that one don't go there. That one's, no, there we go. That's the right one. That works. Love it, love it. And then one more. We got one more little bitty one for the pink nail. And they all fit. I'm very happy about that. Yay. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get any excess up that I can with my tape. And they all transferred really, really well. That sticky base really helps. I'm going to go in with the clear sealer again over the top of these. Let that dry completely. And then I'm going to top them with Posh Top Coat. By the way, I will have a hashtag down below for you to go check out our manicures, and maybe a list of participants as well over there on the Instagrams if you'd like to go check out the other Panda manicures. And here we go. Cap that free edge, and we're done. Look at that. All right, so here's my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.